Alright, today I will show you how to optimize your game in Unity so it doesn't lag a lot. First, number one is occlusion. So you go to your window, rendering, occlusion, culling. There it is. And then, whatever you want to have be cold or like, basically occlusion culling is like whatever is out of the camera's frustum or out of these like lines here, it's not going to be rendered by whatever's going to be static. So in the inspector, I got my building here set to static. You can make it occludes or occluders static, but I just made it completely static. And then if you just hit bake, it's going to calculate everything and stuff. And since this is a building with not many stuff, you can see it doesn't have any effect. So, But if you have terrain or anything like that, it'll really work if you try and rotate the camera around. You can see whatever's out of the camera won't be rendered. There's a great example of this in outdoor scenes, but, Alright, on to number 2. Go to Edit, Project Settings, let's see, Quality, and you got different quality levels. Got high, medium, and low. By default it's on high, I guess, so I just set it to medium. And let's see, you can also mess with all these settings here, like your texture quality and astrophic textures. I don't think you should mess with that, I guess. I never really messed with it. Anti-aliasing, if you have post-processing with already anti-aliasing, you should just disable it so that it wouldn't have to do anti-aliasing on top of anti-aliasing. Yeah, you got soft particles. That's just gonna make it soft, real-time reflection probes and stuff. Shadow cascades, your shadow distance 15. Yeah. So that's it. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, number 3 is bake your lights. So you go to your window, rendering, lighting settings, and inside your lighting settings, whatever's static or whatever you want to have your lights be baked. It's kind of thing that even beginners kind of know a little. If you set it to let's see, where is it? Contribute GI. This is 2020, I guess. 2020. Well, that's what that's what I think is the lighting static mode thing. So you just hit generate lighting. And then it'll bake your light map. Now if you move objects around and stuff that are static, you can see how it shadows, or if it does have shadows. The shadows won't move with it because it's static. And so you have to bake it again. Next up, what do we have? Oh yeah, what else? So, yeah, edit, oh yeah, so yeah, that's it. I hope I got 3 down. I've not been really doing any, boss tutorials right now. You're a little tired from them, and I am too. So, we can't continue this after 5 or so more videos, but yeah.